Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first video in 2021. I would like to wish you all a very happy new year and I hope this year goes well for all of us. So yes, we finally made it to 2021 and let's not talk about 2020. It's gone and it was a terrible year, although I have mixed feelings. There are lots of things I learned, there are lots of things I understood the value of. So I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but yes, thank you so much if you're watching this video today on my channel. So I will not lie, but I was kind of lost when 1st of January 2021 started. I was like, what should I do? What shouldn't I do? I felt very low and depressed, and I did not know, like what should I do? Whether to post a blog, whether to post YouTube. So I kind of took like a break, and in between, I also went to my uncle's place and I met my relatives, and it was a really great feeling seeing them after 1 year. It's so funny how we take all these things very lightly, but I guess most of us have learned. I've learned and understood the importance of family and being together and all that jazz. So I was kind of lost in the first few days. So I did not want to just post for the heck of it. But I'm also not going to lie that I had filmed a video in between, and I did not like how it came out. So it's going to be about my YouTube channel and what I've achieved, the things that I've done, what I intend for this channel. So I will be filming that video again. So if you want to watch that video, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, also hit on the bell icon so that whenever I upload that video, YouTube will notify you. So today's video is going to be fairly simple. I'm going to talk about my top 5 skincare products now in winter 2021. So I have a lot of ideas for my videos and I plan to be more organized this year. So let's see how it goes, because sometimes you plan things and they do not work out. So yes, if you're interested in knowing the top 5 skincare products which are under 100 rupees, then please keep on watching. Hey friends, so let's start with the video right away, but I would also like to apologize in advance if there are any noises you hear in the background. It's because of some construction work going on in our building in somebody's house. So the noise was really bad last 2-3 days, and thankfully today it isn't. So let's hope it doesn't start while I'm filming this video. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that. So the 5 products that I'm going to show you are all under 100 rupees except for one which is like 10 rupees more, but I think that's fine. And these are the products I've been constantly using now in winter, and the best part is that they are all under 100 rupees. So I'm going to start with the video right away. I'm going to show you the first product. Now the first product is Patanjali Nariyal Tel coconut oil. It's 200 ml and you get it for 75 rupees. So this is how it looks like. I don't think so this coconut oil needs any introduction. So I do not remember if I've ever told this in my video or mentioned that I have a really dry skin, like Sahara Desert dry skin on my legs. Because I have hypothyroid, so this problem is very common for me. So usually my hands are not that dry, although in winter everything does turn dry, but my legs in specifically turns very dry, and goddamn nothing works for my legs. I mean, I haven't tried a lot of body lotion. Somehow I feel that they're just overpriced, and it's just whipped oil. But if you have seen DIYs on YouTube about moisturizing body lotion, everything will be mentioned that there is coconut oil. So I thought, why waste money and buy something which is expensive. So I really like this coconut oil. Now some people always say Patanjali products are not great, this and that. I don't care about the company. If the product works for me, it works for me. Also, I feel this is still inexpensive compared to the other brands that are in the market. I did want to try Dabur Anmol, and when I saw the price, I was like, "Nahin, bas yehi leke aaiye." So I've already finished one bottle, and this is the other one that I got. So I use it on my hair. Sometimes I make my own concoction, like I'll mix this, I'll mix tea tree oil, rosemary oil. You can do various things with this. You can also put it in a container, and you can mix almond oil, freeze it, and then apply as a lip balm. तो ये सबसे सस्ता टिकाऊ ऑप्शन है, like coconut oil. I love coconut oil. It's the best, like for your hair, for your skin, and you can even apply it on your body and massage it. For 75 rupees, I think it's not bad at all. Like I said, some people say they don't like Patanjali. Well, that's totally up to you. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है. It's inexpensive, and that's the thing which really attracts me to this product. So yeah, that was my first product. Moving on, let's move on to the face part, and the first thing that I would like to show and mention is this Dabur Gulabari cream. This is Dabur Gulabari moisturizing cold cream with natural rose oil. So this is how it looks like. Now this is like a what do you call that, a sample size or 10 rupees wala ye container hai, but I always buy small size products because I don't end up using them. And if you have watched my empties video, you must have seen how many products I've just thrown away because they have expired. So keep that in mind. Buy products which you're only going to use, and don't unnecessarily buy. Now this does not apply to those who are influencers and bloggers, because we constantly buy new products to try out. But if you're a normal person in a normal world, then don't buy unnecessary products which you're not going to use. So check in your chemist shop. They do have these small kind of tiny containers. If you like it, then buy the whole big size product. I totally believe in that. So when I went to Goa, I had spotted this and I always wanted to try it, so I got it. I have two of these and I've been using it during the winter. So yeah, this is how it looks like I mentioned, and it smells amazing. It smells really nice and it smells like roses. So ये winters में बहुत काम आता है, especially when our skin turns dry. Now if you have very very oily skin, and even if in winters it does not turn dry, then definitely don't try this, or try a small amount of it, because I'm not sure how it will work out for you. Because I have mature skin, like I'm in my 30s now, so my skin has kind of changed. So this part of my face is always dry, this part is oily. So yeah, this cream kind of works for me in winters. I'm not sure in summer, because I hate creams. I have a love and hate relationship with them. I've already mentioned in my previous videos, because in summer whenever I apply any cream, I instantly start sweating on my face. So aloe vera gel is my best friend, and I'm going to mention one during the course of this video, the one I'm currently liking. So yeah, I think for under 100 rupees this is really good. Now as I said, this is of 10 rupees, but you get a smaller container, I think around 50 rupees or something. You can definitely go for that. I really love this. Okay friends, so moving on, I have another product from Dabur, and it's the Dabur Gulabari Rose Glow Face Cleanser. So this is how it looks like. This is a really tiny bottle. You do get various sizes. Now I was not aware that you get a tiny bottle like this one, because then I would have bought it like ages ago, and I specifically bought this bottle so that I can refill any other rose water I want, and it could work for me. So multi-purpose use के लिए मैंने ये खरीद लिया है. Now this one is priced at rupees 45, and you get how much? You get just 50 ml. I would say it's quite costly. I'm kind of confused right now, because I have tried our rose water. So that different from this one? I'm not sure. If I find out, I'll mention it here on the screen or in the description. But from what I understand, the other rose water was not that sticky. Now when I bought this and I sprayed it on my face, I instantly felt that stickiness, because it contains rose oil, and that I came to know when I started reading the ingredients. So it has mentioned here that it has rose oil. So fair enough, this is really good for me right now. I've been really liking it, and it is really great for this winter kind of season. So let me go ahead and spray some. Can you see that glow that you're getting on the face? So that is because of the rose oil, and that's why I really like it. So I would highly recommend this. Like if you want to use it like as a setting spray or something at the end of it, you can add maybe glycerine or something, so that it imparts a nice glow. And other than that, it will also make your makeup stay longer. So like I said, I was confused about this one and the other Dabur Gulabari Rose Water, but I'm glad that I got it. I would not recommend this to someone who has oily skin, because it contains oil. So I'm not sure how it's going to work for the skin. My skin is combination, and right now it's dry, so it really works for me. And I'm using this after I apply my makeup. Like you can see now, there is a glow on my face, and I'm really liking it. So yeah, I really like this one. 45 for 50 ml is not bad at all, although I feel it's a little bit pricey. But if you're looking to try something new now during winter, definitely go for this one. Okay, so let's move on to the fourth product, which is under 100 rupees. Now this one is slightly over the budget, 10 rupees more. Now this is the Boro Plus 100% organic aloe vera gel with haldi chandan kesar. So I don't think so this needs any introduction. I've already done a complete in-depth review video about this one. Please check the description box, I will link it. So all in all, I would say this is really good for winter season, and it will work for all skin types. Because my skin is combination, I feel this has the right amount of moisture and a right amount of hydration, and it does not make my skin oily or tacky or anything like that. The best part about this is the smell. This smells better than the Patanjali Haldi Chandan Kesar, that aloe vera gel. This smells much better than that. The packaging is also attractive. Also, you get how much? You get 150 ml, which is quite a lot. तो अगर आप इसको खरीदोगे, आपको 3 से 4 महीना definitely चल जाएगा. It depends on how much you use it. If you're using it regularly, then probably within 2 months you'll be able to finish it off. So currently during winters, I really like this. One is the smell. Secondly, the ingredients are really nice. It's a soothing, moisturizing, glowing. It kind of gives a nice glow to your face. Like today I have used it. I've also used the Dabur Gulabari cream, because my skin is really behaving weird. Now in Bombay it's supposed to be cold. It was really cold, and now suddenly पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. It was warm, then again it's cold. So hot cold वाला season चल रहा है. So my skin is kind of behaving weird. Like today it was very dry. My nose was flaky. So I have used this, plus I have used the Dabur Gulabari cream, and if you see now, I sprayed that rose water, and it's kind of glowing. So I really like the combination of these products. So yeah, if I have to recommend an aloe vera gel right now, and which is my favorite now in the 100 under 100 category, and which is good for winters and your skin in general, I would definitely recommend this one. Yeah, this was the fourth product. Okay friends, so the fifth and final product in my top 5 under 100 rupees in skincare is none other than Poroline. So tell me you haven't heard of it. Borolene is a very old brand and a trusted brand, and it is basically an antiseptic cream as well. So if you are not aware of this brand, definitely go on Google and search it. Well, for an Indian, I think every house has a Borolene, and you get it in a tube form, which we do have. But I wanted to try a tub form, so this is only priced at rupees 25. And trust me, this is the best lip balm ever. So ever since December started, it started getting really cold in Bombay, which is very unlikely. Now we are in January right now, but suddenly the cold has shifted to a warm kind of weather, so I feel like I'm literally transported to March. But nonetheless, my skin is always dry, especially on my lips and my legs. So I think this cream really works wonders for me. So I had really crusty lips and I had to exfoliate them, so I did a like a DIY kind of thing, and like with sugar, honey, and all that jazz. And I started scrubbing my lips, and I used to apply this as a night repair cream. So I've seen a lot of people using the Laneage or Lani, I don't know what is the name. They use that sleep Laneage something sleeping mask that is like 500 rupees. I think you would go for this one. Like, this works really well. I do not know why people don't try this. Like, the smell, and you get that kind of taste. Like, the smell is really strong, and not everyone would like it, but I think this cream has been there around for years now. So kuch to baat hogi, right? So if you have extremely dry skin, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. And but if you have oily skin, definitely stay 10 feet away from this one, because this is a really thick and rich cream. If you apply it on your face, you will definitely break out. So yeah, not good for oily skin, but for dry skin, this is a savior. And now during these winter months, my lips turn like very dry, so this has been like a savior for my lips. So yeah, this was the last product which I absolutely love, which is my top 5 under 100 rupees in skincare. Okay, friends, so that is a wrap for today, and those were all the 5 products that I wanted to mention, which are under 100 rupees in skincare and which are now like the winter edition. I'll be doing more videos like these. I have something for makeup as well, or something like that, like a top 5 or top something kind of series. I think it's really exciting to know, and if you are making such videos, or if you intend to do, let me know as well, because I love to watch these videos. You kind of discover new products which you may or may not know. So my main motive to make this video was to tell you that there are inexpensive options available in the market. Like, not everybody buys like a 800 ka cream or 1000 rupees ka lipstick. So my channel is all about affordable products. So these are the products which really work for me. They may or may not work for you. I cannot guarantee that. But these are the products I've been liking, and they have not caused any reaction or any problem as such. So yeah, these are all the products I wanted to mention. If you like this video, definitely give it a like, a thumbs up, and do comment down below and let me know your favorite products which are like under 100 or which are in the affordable category. Any comments, ideas, suggestions are always welcome on this channel. So this is it for today. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.